Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. In behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, this is your Kuya Alexander Alam, the Executive Director, extending my warmest congratulations to all the officers and members of Riyadh Central Eagles Club on their first anniversary. Mabuhay kayong lahat and see you soon mga kuya at mabuhay ang Agila.
And ladies and gentlemen, our very own Eagle Regional Governor, Faisal Labi.
At this juncture, I would like to express my wholehearted greetings. Happy first founding anniversary of the Riyadh Central Eagles Club. I would like to greet you again in our very important day, memorable day, which is that we call it Philippine Eagles Week. Thank you mga kuya, mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay po ang Riyadh Central Eagles Club.
Sa lahat po ng mga balita, congratulations sa lahat. Pero alam ko hindi ko yan gawin pa rin.
Yeah. That's so appreciate all your efforts, Gretel. Before I begin, like to greet everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Isang palang umaga ng Biyernes sa ating lahat. Una kong binabati ang ating mga
Happy first charter anniversary to Riyadh Central Eagles Club under the leadership of your club president Kuya Maclin, and of course your club vice president Kuya Abdul Halil. Also happy Eagles Week celebration sa lahat ng mga kuya, ate, bunso natin dyan sa Riyadh at sa Middle East, sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Again, happy first charter anniversary to Riyadh Central Eagles Club. This is Kuya Borg, your Talakayang Agila National Commissioner. Deo et Patria, mabuhay ang Agila.
of Riyadh Central Eagles Club.